Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to make your desktop look clean, aesthetic and beautiful. So, without any further delay, let's start the video. So, first of all we will be customizing our taskbar. In order to do this, follow the steps shown in the video. This will align your icons on the taskbar in the center. Now, go to taskbar settings and turn on small icons. Now we will be making our taskbar look clean. This step is very important to make your taskbar look good. For this, go to the Microsoft Store and download Translucent TV. I have already downloaded it, so I am not downloading it again. Once you have downloaded it, launch the program and check your system tray. Its icons will be like this. Click on it and you can see the settings. You can apply clear, opaque, simple, acrylic and more. Now let's see the desktop. We will be hiding all the icons on the desktop. To do this, follow the steps that I do. Next, we will be changing the wallpaper. To do this, go to the web browser you like and search abstract wallpapers. And download the one you like. To apply it, go to the settings and type wallpaper in the search field. Then, click on choose background. Browse the picture that you just downloaded and choose it. Your wallpaper will be applied. Now we will be adding a clock widget using Rainmeter to make your desktop look professional. To do this, go to Chrome and search Rainmeter and download it. After it is downloaded, run the setup. You will also need a skin for Rainmeter in order for it to work. The link to the skin will be provided in the description. Download that skin and then run it. I am ending the video here, hope you like it. Thanks for watching.